Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Mo. I'm Mo, and today we have a topic that might sound a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the details of a balance sheet and financial statements. Understanding the details of a balance sheet and financial statements. Importance of financial statements. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you a story about a small business. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand. Your financial statement would be like the recipe for your lemonade. It shows you the ingredients, assets, how much sugar and lemons you owe, liabilities, and the delicious lemonade you get to enjoy, equity. What is a balance sheet? Let's break down the balance sheet further using our lemonade stand example. Your assets include the cash you've earned, the lemons and sugar you have on hand, and maybe even the cool sign you made. Liabilities might be the money you borrowed from your friend to buy those lemons. Equity? Well, that's your profit, the sweet reward for your hard work. Assets. In a bigger business, assets could be like a treasure chest. For instance, think of Apple's treasure chest filled with cash, iPhones in inventory, and the super secret sauce, intellectual property. Liabilities. Liabilities are like bills waiting to be paid. Imagine Apple owes money for raw materials and has loans to fund new product development. Even giants like Apple have bills to settle. Equity. Equity for Apple includes their shares owned by investors. Picture it like everyone holding a piece of the apple pie. The bigger the slice, the more ownership they have. How to read a balance sheet. Now, reading a balance sheet is like deciphering a map. You want a balanced map, right? Well, in finance, a balanced sheet means assets equal liabilities plus equity. It's like finding that sweet spot on the treasure map where X marks the financial success spot. Income statement. Jumping to the income statement, imagine you're selling lemonade for $1 a cup. Revenues are the dollars pouring in, but then you deduct expenses like lemons, sugar, and the cost of your spiffy sign. The remaining amount is your sweet profit. Revenues and expenses. For a tech giant like Apple, it's like looking at a blockbuster movie's box office earnings. Revenues from iPhone sales, app purchases, and services. But remember, there are also costs, like paying the creative minds behind the next big thing. Cash flow statement. Lastly, the cash flow statement is your business's diary. Imagine Apple's diary detailing how much cash is coming in from sales, operating activities, how much they're spending on new gadgets, investing activities, and if they're borrowing or paying off debts, financing activities. Understanding the details of a balance sheet and financial statements is like being a financial detective, piecing together clues for a comprehensive financial story. Whether you're running a lemonade stand or investing in tech giants, these statements help you decode the financial language of success. That's it for today's video. I hope this breakdown has made the balance sheet and financial statements a bit less daunting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if there's a specific financial topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay financially savvy.